Chicken chores are pretty easy this morning. Just opening the doors for them. I'm going to gather a few eggs that I can see here. Apparently the Americanas aren't getting the memo that eggs go in the nesting box. A few of them are. Or maybe it's because these girls are laying in them when they're not actually laying eggs.
Ready to come out, girls? Morning, Natalie. Oh. No.
I saw her tail lifting. I have a Harlow's bottle.
Natalie thinks it's her job to break up the hay bale with her horn. Hi, baby.
Getting some feed for the chickens. They go through at minimum 2 bags a week. When do you want to come back next?
Per week, 2 bags?
Yeah. Wayne's on vacation, so I'm utilizing him. Muscles, wait for Dad.
Wait, is that the wrong kind?
Nope, that's the right kind.
It feels light.
However many Dad says.
Are you still doing starters?
We have
Half a bag left.
3, 4, yeah, half of a bag. So it's up to you. You tell me when we're done doing baby stuff.
Still pretty small.
Okay. Went ahead and got some more Timothy grass because the rabbits could care less to eat the alfalfa grass. Got some corn for the chickens, and then we're still not ready to quit feeding Harlow, so some more formula. Why are you grumping at me, girls? Gonna grab one of these bags of feed and go feed the chickens because they are probably hungry. Everybody sees me coming. Unfortunately for the bantams, I'm carrying the feed like Wayne told me not to. So I have to go to the big chickens first, or I would extremely overflow the bantams. Probably shouldn't try and film and do a 50-pound bag of feed because you might dump half of it on the floor. But it's fine, it's fine. Emptied the rabbit's litter, the girls' litter, and then I'm filling their hay manger up with the Timothy hay. So we'll see if that's the solution. I put the alfalfa hay in one of these bins just to see, or thinking maybe they could use it for a nest if they are pregnant, and I come back in and they're eating it. So I don't understand why they wouldn't eat it out of the manger. They have done that their entire lives. eating the alfalfa hay. We got Honey some hay too. Lennox wins Best Kid Award. She just took the wagon that I hadn't dumped yet and dumped it out so that we can fill it up again with their bedding mess from last night.
She wrinkles her ears and wags her tail, Raven. Thank you. Dumbledore. Raven. Dumbledore almost died.
It's almost time, Atlee.
You ready to shoot it? She's ready.
She says, put my treats down. You're supposed to pour it in her bowl.
No. Abby, you're too big to do that.
Just walk past her.
Shut it.
Come on. Oh, shucks. I forgot. We're supposed to just feed her. Here. Oh, Dove broke in. Here, Dove. Here. Come on. Here, Luca, will you? Never mind. Good girl. Good girl. Wrong way, Harlow. This way. Food's over here. Here. Hello, girls. I'm out here to give Harlow her bottle. Everyone is inside watching a show. We did the brushing of the cows and cuddling them earlier tonight so that they could have a movie night tonight. And I am out here getting ready to feed Harlow her bottle and give the girls their last snack treats. Gonna try and feed Bridget some of hers. See if she'll quit. I didn't give any to the other girls tonight first. No? Please? Alright, I'm gonna feed the other girls some. And then I'll try her again. So Lana just came out to help me. She's gonna feed Harlow her bottle. Gave Ember her treats already. Dove had flipped her bowl over, so I went in there and flipped it over and cleaned out her poos. Every time I come to fill up another... Oh, there we go. Bridget's given in between when I gave it to Ember and Dove. She refused, but now she's willing to take some treats. All right, I'll be back. Giving Atlee... Scooch back. Atlee. Oh. Atlee apparently pooped in her feed bowl, so now I'm going to have to take care of that. Gosh darn it. I got Atlee's poo cleaned out, and she flipped her bowl before I could even get in here. So her treats are all over the floor.
Okay, she's not going up drinking it. She's just sucking the suck.
All right. You going to walk her? Can you hold this? Walk her over and give her her feed in her bowl. Ember likes Harlow's feed better. It's okay. It's okay. So, lots of times Ember comes and eats the baby food and Harlow eats the big girl food. So, it's probably time to transition her, but we kind of like keeping her a baby. I'm not going to make her eat them all from my hand, but I definitely am going to hand... Oh, there we go. I think she's still wanting to have an attitude. So this is the issue that we're having with Bridget. She can't figure out who's boss. She thinks she's the boss. And so we want her to know we're nice to her. We want her to be nice to us. Oh, get it in there. We have all the bantams in. Getting ready to close them up for the night. We collected 10 eggs out of here today. Good night, girls. Luca's getting the stragglers in. Angel not being an angel. 13 eggs right now from these girls. I think I collected one other time today, though, too.
We're out of here.
Laban.
These women are not good to you.
Laban is getting Duane for me.
Calm down, buddy.
We're finally holding true to our word and bringing him inside so that his booty can heal.
Duane's had a bare spot on his tail for, I don't know, months. We tried treating it with antibiotic or like some anti-pecking spray, that type of stuff, but it just keeps on persisting. Shayla did some research and found out it might be some type of boring mite. It gets inside of the
Feather shaft.
Yeah, the shaft of his feathers. So we've been doing an ivermectin pour-on the back of his tail just to kind of catch those mites as they come out. I'm not going to inject it with this needle. I'm just going to drip it on his bum here, but we've applied it once. We can only do it
Once a week.
once a week. So.
About 6 drops is what it says for the average size rooster.
We're also going to treat his comb a little bit for frostbite. The rooster's comb is really important for their hormones, so you want to protect it as much as possible. Which Duane has a lot of comb, so he's probably not at any big risk. A lot of the dark you're seeing here is just scabbing. It'll flake off. Sometimes we put coconut oil on his comb just to kind of protect it a little bit from the cold. Alright, now I'm going to try to cover his bottom. Should help here now. We're going to keep him inside for a while away from the hens because they just keep pecking at it. He usually tries to hide away up on top of this little roost thing.
They have a little swing set inside of their coop, and he jumps on top of it. But sometimes the hens jump up and peck at his bottom.
Hopefully that feels pretty soothing for him. And we'll just keep him in for a couple weeks until we think his butt's healed up. And feed him good treats. Should be a good time for him. Maybe we'll take him out every once in a while to be with his hens. But we want to take good care of him because he's a good rooster. Not very many big roosters will just let you pet him like a dog.
This girl flipping her bowl again. Why you do that, Atlee? Dove flipped the wrong bowl. Now has a mess in her stall that I have to clean and refill. There you go. Well, that's it for today. We hope you all have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.